Hey guys, I'm recording this for y'all to update you on anything that you have questions about, anything new that you're unsure about. I just wanted to show you this presentation and I will put it on Canvas on announcements or on the homepage so you can go back to it and use the links on it and everything. So today, obviously, I miss y'all so much. Today is Monday, so new week starting today. All of y'all, or some of y'all have already gotten started. I'm super proud. So first things first, contact information. So best way that I keep telling you to contact me is Remind. This right here is how to join Remind. So a lot of you, if you've listened, have already joined. I've contacted you. I can send reminders out to remind you of things, and you can just text back or use the app to contact me on there. So that is helpful. My email, you can always email me. It goes straight to my phone. It pops up on my computer. If you want to send me a longer message, whatever, you can always email me. If you need to send me assignments, any questions at all, you can send an email. And then my phone number is there for you in case you cannot get a hold of me on Remind or email. Your parents can text me or call me. I prefer your parents using that, so keep that in mind when that is on there. Zoom office hours. So my office hours are from 11 to 12 in the morning. And the link is here that you can click. Here's the meeting ID and password if you need that. That is every day from 11 to 12 if you need help with anything or just want to hang out with your friends on there, whatever you want. I will be on there every day from 11 to 12 in the morning, and the afternoon time is 2 to 3. The link is there, the meeting ID and the password. Those will be the same link every day, so you can join on there if you need to. Grading policy. So I made this bold. All grades starting this week are actually graded. So in the past, it's just been completion grade. Now they will all be grades. There will be 3 to 4 assignments a week for every single subject. So make sure you're not just doing math, you're not just doing ELA, you're doing social studies and science as well, because those are grades that go in the grade book. Khan Academy expectations. So you're noticing there's a lot of Khan Academy assignments for math. So first point I want to make, you need to finish and watch the entire video that is on Khan Academy. I can easily see if you skip the video or if you do not watch it at all or you just watch 1 second of it. Take your time on the practice stuff because it is a grade. It grades you every single time you do a practice assignment. And then always check back on Canvas to see if you have anything else. I want to emphasize this. You need to finish the entire video and watch it and even take notes if you need to. I'm going to show you on Khan Academy. I don't want you to see the names. There's the names of the students. You can see that. But I do not want you to see whose grade is what. So if you notice, looks like I can't do it this way. So if you look at it this way, I'm going to put the names off the screen so you can't see it. So this person right here, so they watched the video. They watched every single video. They scored a 75 on the practice. They watched this video and they scored 100 on the last practice. That's awesome. This person did amazing. That is exactly what I want to see. That's the grade that they will get. This student obviously did not watch any of the videos. They, in result, got a 25 on the practice. They didn't watch this video and then got a 50. Not only is the student getting bad grades on their practice assignments, they're also getting points off for not watching the videos. So keep that in mind. This one watched the first video, didn't watch any of these, and got 100 on the last. That's great that they got 100 on the last practice, but look, they also missed out on this practice. question and are getting points off for not watching the videos. So I'm just showing you this so you can see that I am able to see if you're watching the videos. So this student, I'm assuming they're not done yet, but they watched all the videos. So now I'm hoping they are working on these practice questions for the grade. So again, make sure you're finishing and watching the entire video. I can see it. That will be part of your grade. Late work. I've sent this out on the Remind app. If you are not a part of the Remind app, please sign up because I send a lot of reminders on there. All assignments for the week can be completed until 5 o'clock on Sunday. After that, you'll need to contact me to let me know any assignments you want to make up, and I will decide if it's too late to make it up or what grade you are able to get. All right, that's everything. Miss y'all.